Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about avoid using spammy words. Let's get started. If you want to be successful in email marketing, your goal must be to avoid the possibility of having your hard-worked email promotions to go to the spam folder. You put in the effort and time to create great email headlines with valuable content for your subscribers, and you don't want it to go to waste. Spam filters can now detect more spammy words than ever. You want your marketing promotions to reach your subscribers' inbox. Your email subject headline is one of the parts of your email that is checked by spam filters for spam keywords. These trigger words can cause problems in reaching your potential customers as your email gets caught in the spam folder. It would be best to know what keywords you must avoid so that your hard-worked emails can reach your customers' inboxes. Also, your email body can be checked for spammy words. Your email can be flagged if you're not aware of the keywords that can mark your email as spam. Spam filters protect people from unwanted junk or harmful emails from spammers. Some spammers intend harm to people that they can get people to give them money and also their contact information. As an email marketer, you don't want your emails to be found on the spam folder together with the real spam and junk emails. This is not good for your business. So let's take a look at a few keywords that are considered as spam and get your emails flagged. First, click here. You may notice that it is a call to action. Most of the people have been trapped by this call to action button or link that can lead them to a redirection that harms their computer or can steal their information if they're not careful. Spam filters flag these keywords to protect people to be victims of fraud or spammers. Instead of using these spammy keywords, you can use keywords like what will happen if people click on your call to action. You can use more positive actions like learn or schedule. Second, the keyword free. This keyword flags spam filters if you use them anywhere in your email. It gets used a lot by spammers. You may be tempted to use this keyword since people might click on your mail as they will get free stuff. But if you are giving them a free offer, avoid this keyword a lot in your email body or your email subject line. Be creative in using words that people can learn from as they get your free offer. Next, buy now. This can also be a call to action. It seems to be pushy to make people do an action. As an alternative, you can use the benefits people can get in purchasing your product rather than using these keywords. There are tons of spam keywords that can alert spam filters and result in your emails being found on the spam folder. You don't have to memorize them all. You can avoid words that make you sound like you're needy, manipulative, pushy, and giving false promises. Knowing what keywords can be flagged as spam will help your promotions not to get trapped in your subscribers' spam folder. Also, your deliverability rate will keep high and your emails will reach your subscribers' inboxes. Now that you know about avoid using spammy words, we can now proceed to the next topic, personalize your emails. I'll see you there. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about personalize your emails. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what is a personalized email. A personalized email is an email being sent by businesses to utilize their subscribers' data to give them more related business proposals or offers and guarantees a more productive and helpful communication experience. So why is it important that we use email personalization as one of our email marketing strategies? First, it gives the sender a better reputation. As email marketers, we want to build a genuine and long-lasting relationship with our prospects. It also results in a lesser spam complaints and lower unsubscribes. Another important point is that it gives your emails better chances of being opened by your recipients. This depends entirely on your subject line. If the subscriber sees that the email subject line is personalized, they are more likely to open and read what's in your email messages. Personalized emails also give the person a more compelling reason to share their personal data through your opt-in forms. It will be effective if you inform them during the subscription that you will use the data to send them thrilling and informational email campaigns. With these, it will benefit your email campaigns to create more relevant, useful, and informative email campaigns. That way, it will match the subscribers' expectations. They will expect to receive valuable emails in a personalized manner in exchange for the personal data. One main benefit is that it will develop greater engagement results. By knowing the benefits, another result will emerge, which we all want to happen. That is, it will boost your business's ROI. People will trust and buy more from businesses and companies that use personalized emails. Now let's begin discussing how to personalize your emails. First, segment your list. The first important thing to do to make this successful is to segment your list. You want to personalize your emails based on your subscribers' interests. Doing this will allow you to cater to their needs. In the next video, we're going to talk more about segmenting lists, so make sure to watch it to understand more about segmenting your lists. Next, personalize subject lines. The next important thing to do is to personalize your subject lines. This is simply putting the subscriber's name in the subject line. Everyone loves being called by their own name. They feel this sense of trust towards the person who called them by their name. This is a simple step, but very crucial. Your subject line will determine if your recipient will be interested in reading your emails. Next, determine the best time to send emails. Knowing the demographics of your recipients, like their location, will allow you to know what time they are online. You need to know the time they are more likely to read your emails so that they can engage with your mails as they receive them. Doing this will allow you to personalize sending emails depending on your recipient's time zone. Next, write your email content as though you are writing to one person. People read emails, especially when it comes to someone they know or trust. Also, if the email's personally addressed to them, as if they know each other on a personal level, they're more likely to read that mail. So write your content and imagine as if you're talking to each other face to face. Personalizing your emails increases the chances of your mails to stand out from other emails in your recipient's inbox. People are more likely to open emails when they see their names on it. Instead of receiving generic emails, they can receive emails that are targeted to them and their interests.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.